Hi, I'm Shailesh, and I'm a product manager at Google. I want to tell you about an interesting experiment we're running with Google Goggles. Goggles is a product that allows users to do a visual search. It works like this. A user takes a photo of an object, and using Google's image recognition technology, Google returns relevant search results. Every day, people are goggling all sorts of things, including ads. This caught our attention. What if marketers could connect a consumer's offline experience to an immersive digital experience on their mobile device? To learn more about how this might work, we've engaged in this experiment with 5 pioneering advertisers: T-Mobile, Diageo, Buick, Disney, and Delta.
Google Goggles is a great way for us to combine a lot of elements that we know our consumers want. They're on the go, they want information, they may want recipes, they may want offers, and we want to be able to provide that for them wherever they may need it.
Here's an example of a Goggles-enabled print ad for Buick. The consumer launches Goggles on their phone, photographs the ads, and Goggles takes the consumer to the relevant content on Buick's mobile site.
Our overall objectives for this are pretty simple. We want to create a more rich experience for consumers. So when they come to a print ad that's enabled with Google Goggles, it gives them the opportunity to then get a deeper, richer experience with the brand.
One of the biggest benefits of the Google Goggles advertising campaign is that the consumer can choose when they want to go and have this deep experience.
Goggles gives us a great opportunity to test at scale in a really effective way.
We know that mobile is the one common tool that everybody has with them, whether it's in their hand, on their nightstand, or in their back pocket.
More and more, users are conducting visual searches to explore the world around them. We're looking forward to learning about how we might deliver the most meaningful and relevant visual search results.